Oh damn, what a way to start the video with a big ass hiccup. What is going on, guys? We tapping into this video. What we got going on today is, excuse my hiccups, this is going bye-bye, because your boy bought, yes sir, the YFZ450R thumb throttle, the most known modification slash upgrade to any quad that gets street ridden. So what we're gonna go through today is just simply, damn, shit's like mad stiff. So I'm contemplating between the using the cable that came with the thumb throttle that I bought, or rocking out with the old cable. I would assume the cable isn't the issue. It's just the unit, the throttle assembly itself. That's the reason why it gets modified. So what I'm gonna do first is just swap out the unit without the cable, and if it feels better, we're good to go. If it feels like slightly or the same like shit, then I'll just do the whole cable too. But I'm just praying that we're just able to replace just the body itself. So go ahead and set the camera up, we're gonna get it going. So all I'm doing right now is I'm just cracking the new one open to get the cable removed, and then I'll work towards doing the one on the bike. So I'm just doing this shit off camera, but yeah, so at least y'all know. Alright, but here we go. Y'all won't believe I got the new throttle for only $100 on Facebook Marketplace. This shit is still brand new. I think the guy was parting out his 450. This shit's about to die, and he was just getting rid of that shit. And then he told me, we chatted it up a little bit, because he was asking what was I throwing it on. I told him, hey, I got a Warrior 350 at home, and this is the most common, you know, because I street ride and doing wheelies and shit now. So this is the most common upgrade mod to do right now with, you know, bike life and shit. Damn, everything in there is fucking dirty ass shit. Ew. There's a lot of nasty ass play in there too. You know, I was just talking to him, letting him know, like, yeah, you know, this is the most common upgrade to do. So we need a pick for that, for the thumb throttle. And I was like, yep. Especially anybody on a fucking especially anybody on a fucking Banshee is gonna want that shit. That dude's out there going crazy on a Banshee. Damn. This shit look crazy. Oh, is it this or is it the cable too that's like boofed? Oh shit. Feels straight. I don't know. I don't know, guys. It might be the fucking, might be the cable too. So, I'm gonna go ahead and crack these shits loose. Damn, this one's already loose. Hey, yo. Now, on with the new. So, put myself in a sitting position if I'm riding. Say a slight bit of an angle. As long as that feels like it ain't fucking going nowhere, that's all that matters to me. What I'm about to do right now, I'm gonna cut the bike on. See? I don't know if I told you about the fuel switch at the end of the tank is leaking. I'm gonna have to replace that shit soon too. Damn it. Make sure that shit's no, did I just fucking, did I kill my fucking battery now? Oh. Nope. This fucking stupid shit came on. That's fucking awesome. It decides to shit the bed whenever it feels like it. Oh, damn. Still wasn't the problem, that's crazy. Oh, shit. Let me get the battery tender on it. So, what the fuck happened from the last time I rode to now? And the last time I rode being 5 days ago. So, I don't know. Positive charger. Oh, I got nothing.
Many minutes later.
Well, I'm not getting nothing. I tried pop starting it a couple times, but didn't work, so I figured let's just finish up what we started, and I'll save me trying to fix this shit for another video, I guess. This is just gonna be the install of the YFZ450 thumb throttle, and it looks nice on there, I'm not gonna lie. Shit looks dope. I'm gonna try not to stress about the bike not working right now. I mean, it's not getting, there's like no noise at all. There's like nothing is doing nothing. Like, there's nothing on this bike that is doing anything electrical, and that shit scares me because there's a lot of multiple points. You know, if I was to think, damn, what happened between the last time I rode it now, and honestly nothing. This bike is in the garage for, you know, 4 or 5 days out the week. I ride about maybe 2 to 3 times, you know, so I don't know, you know, where the electrical problem could be coming from. It could be coming from the turnkey switch, it could be coming from the kill switch assembly. Just sucks right now because I don't know where it's coming from. You know, the wire harness is straight, everything's been working, like everything has been working so smooth for so long. Damn, that shit looks nice. Feels good now. I adjusted it. Feels good. Yeah, that shit feels a lot better. So we're just gonna slide this over, cover it up, make it look pretty. So yeah, I don't know what's going on, but I will tend to deep dive. Definitely gonna hit Google, hit some forums, look some shit up, keep fucking around. I'm gonna keep this battery on the tender because I do not need the battery dying. Or maybe I'm getting a false reading of it being fully charged. I don't know. The YFZ450 thumb throttle on a Yamaha Warrior 350. That shit is clean. I think it is. Yeah, it is. It's a bit bigger of an assembly. It's a bit bigger, so it stands out a lot. It stands out a whole lot, but it looks very pretty on there though. Feels good. Can't wait to when I figure out what's wrong with the bike and get it started. So, but there we go, guys. Fire.
1 hour later.
So after a few minutes of investigating, I found this. If it wants to focus. Focus for me, focus, focus, focus. This is the fuse. Fuse is done for. Thank God. I still have the other fuse. So this is a new fuse. This is what it's supposed to look like. And that is not what it's supposed to look like. It is not supposed to be broken. So let's go, guys. Figured it out. Thank you, God. I'm like, yo, I didn't do nothing crazy, but now what I'm gonna have to do is now go and source out another fuse to have on standby, and also figure out why this fuse went. Now I gotta learn what caused the fuse to go bye-bye. So there we go. Just got done testing it on the GoPro. I like it, yo. I like it. It feels good. I think it's slightly longer. If we compare it right now, the lever is slightly longer, so you know it's a lot easier to grab. You don't have to like push your thumb all the way in just to grab the old throttle. I like it though. This shit's nice. It looks good on the bike. It feels good, and I'm real happy I was able to diagnose this shit real quick and get it back within one video. Shit, within 1 hour I was able to diagnose and fix. So now I know I gotta make sure I brush up on reasons why the fuse blows, and I gotta go get some more. But there we go. That was out with the old and with the new YFZ450R or regular 450 thumb throttle. So catch y'all on the next one. Stay tuned for more videos, cause yeah, summer ain't over yet. We gonna be outside, bro.